5 years ago, large brands had every single advantage. They had bigger marketing teams, developers, analysts, designers, and much bigger budgets. As a small Shopify business, competing with them felt impossible. Until AI came and it changed all of that. Today, almost anyone can build a Shopify business with AI. So the question is, what still separates brands that succeed from brands that don't? In this video, I'm going to show you where I use AI in my own workflow and where I still think that human decisions and good business systems still matter the most. So let's get started. Most people ask AI the wrong questions, or more precisely, they ask them in the wrong way. They ask questions like rewrite my product descriptions or give me ad ideas. But if your prompts are generic, the results that you are going to get are also generic. So while using AI, you must use it in the right way. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you next. I will show you a lot of prompts during this video and I really want to share them with you. So if you want to get them, comment below prompt and I will send you the link. I have tested and optimized these prompts multiple times in order to make sure that they are giving us the best results. So make sure to get them. Regardless of your business stage, whether it is in an advanced stage or in a beginner stage, the first thing that you should ever start with is getting clear on who your potential customers are. You need to understand who you are selling to. This means knowing very well what they really care about and why they would be buying your product. This used to take us weeks of researching, and although this might seem simple and you might tell me, but I already know who your potential customers are, I'm gonna tell you, most probably no. Researching the market deeply will help you to uncover things about your potential customers that you have never considered before. Believe me, I'm saying this after more than 10 years of experience in e-commerce. The thing that you are going to do now used to take weeks of researching and human work. Well, not anymore thanks to AI. All you need to do is to copy and paste the prompt that you will find in this video guide and let AI do the research for you. For this step and all the other ones, you will see how detailed is my prompt. And you will notice that I'm not asking Claude to make assumptions, I'm giving Claude data to work with. So for example, in here I gave Claude my product page and I gave it one of my competitors' product page. In your case, I recommend you to give it even more. You can give it more product URLs, you can give it reviews from your competitors, Amazon product pages. You can ask it to browse the internet and read all of these reviews to come out with results that you can actually profit from. And in here, I didn't only ask it to tell me who is my potential customer. You might already know this. What I wanted to know is the real problem that those customers are trying to solve, the real problem or problems. I wanted to know what they have tried before, what they are afraid of, and what they need to believe before buying, and most importantly, what are their top objections. You can add to this list if you want, make it more suitable to your niche, but with a prompt like this one, the results that you will get are going to be very accurate, and I'm pretty sure you will uncover a lot of things about your potential customers, or maybe even new potential customers that you have never knew about or you have never considered. If you look at what Claude returned, you will notice that Claude also included the links from where these facts were drawn, because in this way you make sure that whatever Claude is including in this step is 100% accurate and it matches what's happening in the market. Once you understand your customer very well, your next step is to use AI to improve your store. Your online store is very important. This is where people are going to decide whether to buy from you or not. So improving it is a must. And when you use the research that you have done in the step number 1, you will be able to improve it more because now you know your potential customers better, so you can make your product pages even more relevant to them. But here is the problem we all have. We've looked at our product pages 10,000 times before. So now it's very hard to notice if there is something confusing or missing. And this is where AI can help us the most, by letting it browse our product pages as a first-time viewer, giving us a fresh perspective of how a total stranger is going to experience our product page. We are going to do this in 2 steps. In the first step, we are going to ask Claude to audit our product page as a totally new visitor. And in the second one, we are going to ask Claude to rewrite our product page and make sure it is relevant to our potential customer. And this is where we are going to use what we have learned in step 1 the most. This is the prompt that we are going to use first. And in this prompt, we are asking Claude to audit our product page. You just need to fill in here your product page URL, a small description about your target audience, and you let Claude do the rest. This prompt is built to return a checklist of everything that you need to fix in your product page with priorities. Here is an example of what you will get after finishing this audit. So as you can see in here, we have done an audit for one of our product pages, and in here we have everything that we need to modify and change by priority. And as you can see, this is very detailed, and if you go through these comments, you will see that they all make sense. Now your next step is to rewrite your product pages, and for this step we are going to use all the findings of step 1, which is the customer avatar. Then we are going to use the product audit that we have done, along with any other resources that you find valuable, like reviews, competitors, maybe Amazon product pages, whatever you think might improve the results from Claude. Also, again, all you need to do is to copy and paste the prompt that you will find in the guide of this video and go with it. Rewriting your product pages is extremely important because it's going to greatly help you to improve your store conversion rate and make more sales. Once you are done with your store, your next step is to use AI to improve your marketing. And this is where most business owners feel stuck, because ads somehow feel like a black box. You have no idea what ads to test, how to divide your budget, what campaigns to run, and most importantly, you are scared of spending your budget without making good results. Well, now all of this can be solved, or let's say partially solved, using AI. When it comes to marketing, and specifically to run paid ads, there are 3 things that you should be using AI with. And by doing this, you will definitely excel and save a lot of money and get better results. The first thing is to use AI to write ad scripts and ideas that are proven. We're not gonna let AI guess. We're not gonna spend our budget over scripts or ideas that we are not sure are going to work. We are going to use all the data available in the market to come out with more than 100 ad ideas in less than 10 minutes. In order to do that, I have created a skill within Claude that goes all of my competitor reviews and my own page and come out with ads and scripts and hooks ready to be executed. I've tested this with all of my clients, and the results we are getting are amazing, because the ads Claude are writing with this skill are based on what real customers said before. The skill is built to uncover patterns, ideas, words, frustrations, problems, and to come up with ads that directly speak with our potential customers. You will get the skill when you download the guide of this video, but also if you want to know more about it, there is a video on my YouTube channel where I show you in details how you can do this. After coming out with all of these ideas, the next thing that you should be using AI with is to create the ads. And in here you can use it to create UGC content or images and so on. There are so many tools in the market that can help you to create image ads. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Nano Banana, or you can use Poppy AI, and same for videos, or you can create them yourself. You have the ideas ready, you just need to execute them. For images, definitely use AI. For videos, and if you are okay with creating content, I recommend you to mix and match between you directly shooting the content and using AI for some clips. Now, once you have your creative work already covered with AI, your next step is to use AI to help you to run your ads. And in here, you can use AI to audit your campaigns, to tell you what ads are working, to give you insights about how your ads are performing, and much more. And for this also, I have a very detailed skill that you can use. This skill is built to help you analyze your data and direct you toward the right decisions that you should be making. Just keep in mind that AI is here to help you, not to replace you, so you must keep your own judgment. If you want to know more about how to use my skill to audit your Facebook ads campaigns, also there is a video on this YouTube channel where I show you in details how I do this. I will be adding all of these links within this video guide and the description, so you don't need to worry. So yeah, AI is incredible and it can help you with everything that you have seen and much more. You can use it for your daily operations, your email marketing, your Shopify analytics. Sidekick Shopify AI can be literally your own assistant. But there are parts of your business that AI can't touch. And these parts decide whether you keep the money that you have made or not. So yeah, they are important. Here is the thing, AI is amazing at helping you to get someone to click buy. But the moment the order is placed, the product should be picked, packed, shipped, and it should arrive to your customer at the exact same time you've promised. AI can't help you with any of this. Most people treat fulfillment as an after-sale thing, something that happens in the background quietly after a sale has been done. And that's a big mistake, because fulfillment is not the end of the sale. It's part of whether the sale happens in the first place or not, and whether the sale survives or not. Think about what actually happens when delivery is slow. Customers will start contacting you, asking you about their orders, and many of them will ask for a refund even before the product arrives. And every refund doesn't only cost you the sale, it also costs you all that you have paid on ads to acquire this customer and to make this sale. So basically you would be paying to gain those customers and those sales, then you will be paying to lose them. And even it goes deeper, because whether the customer asked for a refund or even didn't ask for a refund, having the order delivered late means most probably that this customer is not going to come back again to your store and buy from you. No customer is going to appreciate a bad experience. And if you want to grow your brand and make real money, you must be retaining your customers, because repeat customers is where real profit happens. It's way cheaper and easier to sell to someone who already knows your brand and trusts you than to sell to a complete stranger. So a shaky fulfillment doesn't only cost you the current sale, it also costs you all the future sales, the ones that are more profitable. And one other big problem that most probably you are going to face when you have bad fulfillment is related to your cash. When you get a lot of refunds and disputes, payment providers like PayPal and Stripe start to hold your funds longer. So the money that you've made might be held out of reach while you need it to fund your ads or to buy more stocks. Here is something that I want you to keep in mind. You can have the best store, you can have the best ads ever, but if your back end is shaky, all this front end work is fake. The sale isn't real until it is delivered, and this is the harsh truth so many business owners don't realize. So the question becomes how you make fulfillment something that you can trust. And the answer is simple. You work with a reliable partner. And for that, I recommend you to work with Tangbuy. Tangbuy is a sourcing and fulfillment platform built for Shopify sellers. They handle the part you were talking about and much more. This covers sourcing the product, picking, packing, and delivering the orders, and much more. So basically they handle all the operational side, the one that we don't like to think a lot about as merchant, but it is very important to decide whether we keep our customers or not. Tangbuy connects you directly with factories in China, so you are buying at factory prices, and it lets you customize your products so you can have your own packaging, labels, logos. You can even do a full product development. And in this way, you will be building a real brand instead of selling the same thing, the same product everyone else is selling. After sourcing your products, Tangbuy also stores them for you, and you get up to 3 months of free warehousing. This means that your products will be directly ready to ship instead of leaving them sitting in a factory somewhere. And this is going to help you to scale your brand without having everything falling apart. Because as your orders grow, your fulfillment side is ready to handle the volume. AI can't help you with the fulfillment operational side, but it also means it can't help your competitors. So having better fulfillment than your competitors is going to give you a great advantage on them. In addition to that, there is also something else that AI can't help you with, and it is the speed of delivery. Slow delivery is where most stores lose customers and sales. Having a slow delivery, even if it was expected, is going to lower your store conversion rate. Your customers want their orders, and they want their orders fast. That's where working with a strong fulfillment partner is going to be also extremely important. Getting back to Tangbuy, for example, Tangbuy ships through dedicated lines with set delivery windows for each market. So for a country like France or like the UK, you're looking at roughly 10 to 12 days, not the 4 or 6 weeks people expect from China. And that changes everything, because when delivery is fast, fewer people will be asking about their orders, fewer people will be asking for a refund, and more people are going to convert, and more people are going to come back and buy again from your brand. In order to start using Tangbuy, all you need to do is to install the Tangbuy app on your Shopify store. It will sync everything directly with your store. You sign up, you create an account, and by the way, you can find the link of Tangbuy below in the description. And when you do that, you will land on this dashboard, and in here you can start exploring the different products they offer. You can filter by what you are interested in here if you wish, or you can simply search for what you are looking for, or use an image in here to find something similar to what you are searching for. They don't only offer you these products in here, but you can also customize these products and make them yours. You can start by customizing the packaging, the labeling. You can go into a full product development. It's really up to you. When you create an account with Tangbuy, they will give you a dedicated agent to work with. So They will be helping you in terms of talking with manufacturers, finding them. Even if you have a product idea in mind, or if you have a product in mind that's not in here in the catalog, you can set up a request to source this product. And not only that, if you already sell products on your store, you can use the smart match in here feature that allows you to find other manufacturers that sell something similar to your product or your product itself. And in here you can check all of your orders. They will be synchronized directly from Shopify, and Tangbuy will be taking care of everything, starting from sourcing to storing to picking, packing, delivering, everything. Now, another very important thing that you need to focus on the operational side, and again, I can't help you with this, is what happens when something goes wrong. Because it sometimes will. This is life. This is where making sure that your fulfillment partner has a guarantee is extremely important. So for example, Tangbuy offers on-time guarantee. Every route has a delivery window promised by them. If a parcel takes longer than that, they pay you back automatically. You don't need to claim, you don't need to chase, you don't need to do anything. The system spots the delay itself and put the money back into your wallet automatically. Let me give you some numbers to make this more real. The payout is 10% of what you paid to ship the parcel and up to $2 per order. And they cover you up to $2,000 per account per month. This is not meant to make you rich. This is not the point. The point is you are not the one eating the cost every time shipping runs slow. But forget all of these technicalities and numbers for a second. Here is what it actually gives you. When you work with a fulfillment partner that you can really trust, this gives you confidence. When you know your delivery is reliable, you can promise a delivery time on your store without being afraid of it. And that matters more than people realize, because customers are far more likely to buy when they trust and know when their order is going to arrive. So better delivery doesn't just protect the sale after checkout, it helps the sale to happen in the first place. And then everything we've talked about earlier starts working in your favor instead of against you. You will receive fewer "where is my order?" You will have fewer refunds. You will have better reviews. You will have more repetitive sales. And in this way, you will be able to grow your brand and actually turn it into a profitable one. And that's the whole point, because a bad delivery can break a sale and make you lose a customer. Good delivery can make you gain trust and gain a customer for life. And all of this operational side is something AI can't help you with. AI has genuinely leveled the field. It helps you to understand your customers more, fix your store, run smarter marketing, and much more. And I've given you the exact prompts I use so you can start today. But in my opinion, the brands that win from here won't be the ones with the fanciest AI. They will be the ones who use AI to compete on the front end and back it up with real systems on the back end. Great marketing gets you customers, great fulfillment keeps them, so you need both. Thank you for watching this video and for staying up until the end. If you liked it, don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and to hit the notification bell, because in this way you will get notified every time I publish a new video. Remember, if you want to get all the prompts I use in this video, comment below prompt and I will send them to you.